through there. The fucking thread dropped puller. Hello, I'm back. As you can see, we're having some fun. I just pulled that off the drive shaft and it's in pieces here, but I'm going to put a new oil seal in there. That's what's gone. So put you on here and can watch me. There's Lee. But I've got to say this. This is the best tool in the garage. Just fetched it off. And we're back. In the end, it was this tool that pulled that off. Basically, that's why it pulled off the hub. And we had to pull that off to get to this, the oil seal. The hub goes in between there and it stops oil from coming out. As you can see, we're getting a big clean up going. We've got the half shaft there, we've got the axle there, the diff's ready, that's the hog head, that is the differential. Yeah. And up to date, we've finally got the no gas motor. Well, it is gas or gas. We've put a new lead on it and torch. We've coupled it up and now got it running on gas. Audrey, we're finding all these little bits that need doing to her. All that's been done, it's all coming down now. We're using the old bonnet to make sure that the car is not in as much as original as possible. There off this side. Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a bit to do. There's the spring. I've got to clean that out, but it's not be yet, because I don't know whether they're putting a roll of a jig. That's been done, look. Don't know if you can see it, that's the other side's been done. We've got some rail done. All the windows are out. Basically, she's just a shell apart from the front axle. And that's it. That's the up to date. I will be videoing me putting the axle back together, but I've got the other one to strip down. I might video that as well. They're an old system and they're a strong system. These back plates, 63 years old, solid, aren't they? If that were today's back plate, it'd be rotten. Now, anyway, I'll catch you in the next video, so see you later.